Worker here. Today got another fun one for you. Today we got another episode of Worker Work. That's right. Worker Work series is the behind the scenes day-to-day life of a GPU mining farmer. We're here at the GPU mining farm. I just want to talk with you guys a little bit about everything we've been up to. As always, huge shout out to Doge Lord, Savage Mine. Love the swag. Love getting it out here at the farm, putting it to its test. So the team has been up to a lot today. We've been battling the heat and with us moving. And as you can see, we've been on the grind again. That's these 13 GPU workers we've been moving. We've been moving the 7 and 8s out of here. 7 rows left. We've almost got all the 13 GPU workers over here. But with doing this, we've not only changed the airflow of the building, but we changed the power distribution a little bit. So once we started getting these all over here, we had to adjust some things as far as which PDUs. Here, we're hammering away. And all the way down there, we had to make sure we weren't overloading the breaker box, the 600 amp panel that was running all our fans. So it took us a little bit to get that dialed in, but we finally got it dialed in. So with this episode of Worker Work, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Again, you guys know, as always, thank you to you for having us out in your home. I really appreciate it. Thank you to the team. The team's been really killing it, man. I know, I'm pretty tired. Moved several hundred workers, I would say, so far. And you can see we're getting ready for the serious networking. So this has been kind of temporary while we got this moved. We're going to get this out of here, this rat's nest that some of you guys have said. We're going to get it out of here. We'll get these switches. We'll be able to mount those switches up there and around everywhere else. So as you can see, we're getting ready to do some work up here with the patch panels and stuff. And team members have got our tracking ran, so we are going to run this all nice and professional. But yeah, these 7 and 8 GPU workers are the ones that we've been moving here recently. Power distribution, number 1. Heat removal, number 2. And let's show you guys number 3. We're doing some prep work for some big things. Can't wait to touch base with all you guys about it. But what we're going to end up having is all the 7 and 8 GPU workers back in that section back there. The RGB on that is going to be beautiful. But we're doing prep work for some other things. So once all these 7 and 8 GPU workers are out of the way that you see over my shoulder, and we've got those rows all the way down of 13 GPU workers, keep an eye out. What's that? What's that? We've got some prep work that we've been doing. Well, you guys have seen us put together some GPU mining rigs that are cards that we had on hand. Lots of different brands that we had, some ones that we didn't know if were working or not. We were doing some testing. Well, like I said, we're getting prepped for something really cool that I can't wait to show you. But as we were talking about earlier, guys, as we're moving these around, we're doing it for our power distribution. We want to fully saturate this phase of the building. Full saturation. Think about what that means for a second. But with those fans, the exhaust fans, if we do this panel here too much juice, no bueno, no good, no good. So that's one of the things that we had to really take into consideration with this move. Temperatures changing. You guys know in another episode of Worker Work, we showed you that water wall that we've got going on. So all those 7 and 8 GPU workers, we hope are going to fit over here. So if you're new to the channel, now's a good time to hit that subscription icon. We really cherish that subscription. Also, give us a thumbs up so other people can see it. Comment down below. Let us know what you want to see with this episode of Worker Work. We're going to get all of those 7 and 8 GPU workers over here. And we're going to get all these 13 GPU workers out of here. We are going to have to do some double stacking, and what I mean by that is we are going to put some of those 7 and 8 GPU workers on the roof. But what we're doing is, look at this RGB. I cannot wait to come in through here at night when these are all done and give you guys some good quality footage. But yeah, hit that, smash that like so other people can see it. Comment down below. Let us know what you think about the Worker Work series. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscription bell. That way you can keep up with all our other Worker Work series as well as everything else. We got that GPU mining rig ultimate GPU mining rig build we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be doing that out here at the farm. We're gonna show you guys everything. Mobos, power supplies, cables, frames. I mean, we're gonna break it down 10-part series, culminating in a live stream of a 13 GPU mining rig build. So we cannot wait to do that. But you guys know, always do your own research. Make sure you're taking a good look at that ROI time. Lots of craziness down the pipeline. But yeah, you can see, keep an eye out. We're gonna get this serious networking done. We're gonna clean up this hodgepodge here. But this was just temporary. And then we're gonna go do the next aisle. Then we're gonna do this aisle. Then we're gonna come down here. And we got this one and this one. So lots of patch panel work, lots of fun stuff that we'll have here for you guys on the channel. But you guys gotta let me know what else you guys wanna see, what other kind of content that you want. You guys are great, the community's awesome. Thank you guys as always. I know there's a lot of stuff going on with the EIP 1559. Lots of craziness, guys. Lots of craziness. Please do your own research. There's a lot of different things going around. But please make sure you check those ROI times, guys. I know that mining's great, but once that EIP 1559 hits, we're looking at 30 to 50% less block rewards. That's why it's important to do your own research. Your RO time's great. Hey, we love it, guys. We want nothing more than you to put more coins in your bag. That's what the channel's always been about. Shout out to Doge Lord Apparel, man, the 6 swag. Dude, I don't even know how many lids we got. I don't even know how many shirts we got. Keep an eye out. We got hashtag Crypto Swag Friday. We're using a lot of the ASRock H110 Pro BTC Plus motherboards on our 13 GPU mining rig build. But it looks like we're also going to be using some of the 19 GPU motherboards for that. So we're going to talk with you guys a lot about the differences and such. But you guys have been following us. You know we've been moving a lot of workers. The team, thank you guys, though. You guys are really killing it. We're keeping up GPU count as well as making sure stability. That's the biggest thing that we've been working on is stability. We want stable rigs, stability like what BBT, Michael Carter has, Bitsby tripping over his mining farm. That's what we strive for. But we strive to let you guys see the same things that we do. We love sharing things with the community. We love being part of the community. Thank you guys very much for checking out this episode of Worker Work. My name's Wes. I'm not your normal miner. Thanks, guys.